Palo Alto. It's the biggest loser on the NASDAQ 100. That company reports earnings right here on Overtime on Monday. But joining us now ahead of that is Dan Ives from Wedbush. Before I get to Palo Alto specifically, just got to ask about the rally we have seen in tech. It was the strongest sector today, and it's really been leading this turnaround, this rebound, after we did see a pullback in the S&P and a correction in the NASDAQ.
It's a golden age for tech. I mean, in my opinion, we are just in the early stages of a bull market. And if you look at what we've seen from AI revolution, just from broader tech, it's been strong from an earnings perspective. I think the growth scare that we saw, it's just a bump in the road to what I believe is really this fourth industrial revolution playing out. And that's how we've handheld investors through this. This is the time to own tech. And I believe it's really just the start, still 9 p.m. in an AI party that we believe goes to 4 a.m.
We're in an election cycle. We're already starting to see some of the signs of cybersecurity issues and hacks as we do move closer to that November election day. On the flip side of that, we saw the debacle with CrowdStrike a couple of weeks ago as well. So how does that position us for cybersecurity earnings when we do have Palo Alto kicking them off on Monday?
Yeah, I actually think as a subsector, it's one of the strongest ones to own. And not just into year-end, but into early 2025. In terms of what we're seeing, in more and more movements to the cloud, cyber is actually benefiting. Names like CyberArk, Checkpoint. I think Palo Alto, it's actually one of our top names the last few years. It's a table pounder in our opinion. This is a name where I think glass half empty still on the street, but now they're going for platformization. And I think when the Kesh and the team are doing, they're going to gain more and more share. And even when you look at the CrowdStrike situation, a black eye for CrowdStrike, Palo Alto could benefit from that.
Do you expect to see that show up in the results we get next week?
Not in terms of what we see in terms of results, but I believe as we go into fiscal 25, this is just going to be another tailwind for them. You look at that free cash flow story, this is just what I believe is sort of the second inning of this game playing out for Palo Alto. They are going to be a share gainer. But you take a step back, when you look at Zscaler, Checkpoint, CyberArk, Palo Alto, this is really actually just the beginning of really the second, third stages, what I view as sort of this AI revolution. Cybersecurity is going to be a big beneficiary there. So I think as a subsector, could be the best outperformer going into year end.
And something I think that gets overlooked sometimes, you and I have talked about it,
Sure.
is the growing government book of business for some of these cybersecurity names. I mean, you saw it, they're in a different piece of the AI software business, data analytics, Palantir, but you've seen it with Palantir recently as well. How meaningful is it to be seeing the federal government dole out more of these contracts?
I mean, and we've talked, the 202 area code, it is just a different mojo that we're seeing from a spending perspective. Look, Palo Alto, Messi of AI, you saw it firsthand in terms of what they're doing. Government is now really more and more focused on AI, next generation technology. That's going to benefit not just Palantir, it's going to benefit Oracle, it's going to benefit a lot of the cybersecurity names like Zscaler, names like Palo Alto. And that is going to be for the September quarter important, especially in that fiscal year end.